Troubleshooting the Tylo Sport heater. The Tylo Sport heater is one of the most simple and dependable Tylo products. There are only 3 components that control the heating circuit. The first component is the high limit. The second component is the thermostat. And the third component is the timer. If all 3 of these say yes, power is passed through to the heaters and the heaters will turn on. If you are not getting heat, these are the 3 components that must be tested. With your electrical meter set on ohms, we will check for continuity between the points. A reference guide with the wiring diagram is on every unit and can also be found online. First thing to test is the high limit. We'll take our probes and meter out between our 2 points. If we have continuity, we know that it is not tripped. However, we will check the other 2 points as well. Continuity on both tells us that the high limit is not the problem. Next, we will look at the timer. The 2 points in the front is split into 3 separate connections. However, it is all on the same phase. 1 phase is in the front, 1 phase is in the back. With the timer off, we will not have continuity between them. Once the timer is turned on, we will get continuity between them. Check all 6 pairs on each of the phase for continuity. If all of them have continuity when the timer is on and do not have continuity when the timer is off, then the timer is not the problem. The final component to test is the thermostat. The thermostat is the only one that is not straightforward. It again is divided into 3 separate wires. As the heat increases, depending on what you have the thermostat set at, it will either connect all 3, 2 of them, or 1 of them. Currently, with it down all the way, we have continuity on 2 of them, but not the 3rd one. As the temperature heats up and gets to the set temperature, it will start to lose continuity and only have continuity on 1 of them. If we increase the temperature, we will hear a click and we can test again, and now we will have continuity on all 3 of them. If once you increase the temperature and you have continuity on all 3 of them, then the thermostat is not the problem.